Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's just get straight into it. No need for intros. So this is my hair, was straightened before. I'm going to put coconut oil in it, and yes, you read the title right. I'm going to be doing my own knotless braids for the first time. Yes, I've done them on other people and I love them so much, and I've always wanted to try them on my hair, so I'm doing it today. So you know, you got to get your parting comb, your parts got to be right, and that was the most difficult part of doing these knotless braids. These sections are not easy to do. I'm used to doing regular box braids, but for some reason these parts were getting me, so I got my little I had a little compact, and I have a mirror in front of me, and I'm just using my shining gem to get my parts nice and neat. I'm not using a lot. Usually I would use a lot, but I'm not. And here is the hair that I will be using. No, this is not a sponsored video. I've had this hair in my closet for a long time. I think I bought it a while ago, I don't know, but I was like, let me use some of this hair that I already have. So here is how I started. I'm not sure if this is a tutorial because I'm just showing you what I've did, and I love the outcome. So I braided my hair down a couple times, and then I'm feeding in the hair, and I don't want my hair super long. I don't want the length really long. So, and I only had 2 packs of hair, so I had to be thoughtful when doing my hair or adding the hair, or how many pieces that I add. So I'm only adding 6 pieces of hair to the feed-in braid, or knotless braids, but you feed in the hair. So I always call them feed-in braids because they basically are. And then I'm just going to braid all the way down. This hair can really get tangled, so be really careful on how you handle yourself and how you handle the hair, because you don't want to pull and tug on it enough to mess up the braid. So here is one finished braid, and I love the way it looks. So I'm going to start on the next braid. And yes, some people, when doing knotless braids, they start a little further down, and they have 3 braids in the first row. But my head is so big, y'all. I can use so much hair, and like I said, I have a limited amount of hair, and I just know how my hair works and the amount of hair I have on it, okay, and the circumference of my head. So I'm just going to use 2 big sections in the back, 2 big braids in the back, and that is going to set me off right, okay. And then I feel like when I do that, it makes the time, like how much time I take to do my hair, it goes fast just by doing that in the back. So if you have a tip, if you need a tip and your head is big like mine, and the space between the back of your head and your neck, and you got all that baby hair in the back, and you need to braid all of that, you know, just do what I did and you will love me. So thank me later. Okay, so I'm going to the sides of my hair next. And I had so much footage, y'all, that it took me a long time just to edit this down, because I want to show y'all a lot, but I just don't have enough time. And I know y'all don't want to watch a 42-minute video on knotless braids, because I don't, so I figured y'all don't. And if you like this video so far, take a minute to go ahead and subscribe, press the like button and the notification bell, and share this if you enjoy this, or you feel like you learned something, or you get a new tip, or you just like watching me or hearing my voice. Go ahead and do that. Thank you. Anyway, so look at that braid. So pretty, so neat. I love knotless braids because you don't have to get those small parts, and you don't see the knots on your hair, and it just looks so effortless to me. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to braid down about 3 times my hair. Then I'm going to get the other hair, and then I'm just going to loop it in, braid down once or twice, loop it in, braid. horizontal part as well, but in two horizontal parts. So that's what I'm doing there. And then what I'm going to do with the hair is I'm going to, like I said, I added 6 pieces of hair to each braid. So I'm going to continue with that. And I'm going to, with that lighter color hair, it's straight. It doesn't have the curls. It doesn't have the waves at the bottom. I'm just going to take 3 pieces of that hair and then 3 pieces of the curly hair I have. And I'm going to feed in the straight hair first, and that hair is really short, so I'm going to braid down more than I did with just doing the curly hair. I'm going to braid down more with the straight hair first, just to get that length that I need before adding the curly hair. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that I did the 2 braids in the front first because I only had about 6 pieces of that curly hair left, and I wanted to make sure I had 2 curly braids in the front. And let me show you when I'm braiding down with that straight hair. It's okay because I have to braid all the way down to the end of it. It wasn't a lot sticking out, so it was only the curly pieces sticking out. You see that? So once I braid down, the blonde will disappear, which I kind of like the look of the ombre in it, the blonde and brown ombre. So I was okay with that. Okay, now with these last 2 braids, I did not have any of the curly hair left. So what I did was take about 10 pieces of that hair because it was so short. I just braided down, and to make sure it was the same length as my other hair, I made sure to braid it all the way down and to make it the same length. and it took about 10 pieces to get it there. Don't worry about me. I'm watching the Housewives of Atlanta, and I started from season 1, and I love every bit of it, and it really got me through braiding my hair, and it only took me about 5 hours to finish this look. I like it because the braids are big. The takedown is going to be super easy, and it's different because I do have these 2 braids right here that do not curl. But when I looked in my closet, I did find some other free tress hair that I can go and add to all of this. So that might be another video. I did find some free tress hair, and it's a beautiful blonde, and I may go back in another video and add it to this hair to add some more length, because it is kind of looking a little juvenile, but I'm okay. When I have long braids or long passion twist, my neck really hurts when I'm trying to swim or go to bed. It's like a lot of work. When people wear that long hair, it's beautiful, but it's a lot. So I'm just going to chill with this look first, and then I may go back and add the other beautiful free tress hair. So this hair came out so nice. I love the look. You can dip your ends, add your wrap lotion. I'm going to add it to the curly ends, and just to set everything up, I use my little shine spray, and then the got to be glue spray, and I'm going to do my little edges that I have, because y'all know I struggle with the edges because I really don't have any, which is good because that means my hair didn't break all the way off. And this is the finished look, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down. I'll link the hair in the description box. I thank you guys for watching. I thank you for your support. Share this video, and please, guys, thumbs up so YouTube can share this video, and they only will share it if you guys like it. But I thank you all, and I love you, and have a great day. Bye.